Hey there, future digital explorers. In the fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve requires not only creativity, but also some clever technical tricks. In this video, I am talking about 3 simple tricks to boost your digital marketing campaign. Trick 1. Heatmaps for user behavior. Gain insights into user interactions by analyzing heat maps. Understand where users click, scroll, and linger on your website. Trick 2. Smart email segmentation. Don't just send mass emails. Segment your audience based on interests, past behavior, or demographics. Personalized emails have higher open rates. Trick 3. Virtual reality engagement. Dive into the world of VR to create immersive experiences. It's not just for gaming. VR can be a powerful tool for product demos and brand storytelling. So there you have it. These small technical tricks can make a big impact on your digital marketing efforts. Subscribe today, and let's embark on this journey together toward digital marketing success.